This one gonna be part of my vlog. Ooh. What's up, you guys? So I'm here at my office for those of you who can see. And today I'll just be doing a little vlog. I'll be talking to you guys about what I do in a day. Well, not necessarily. I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that I have planned. But I can't take you into my first session because it's a classroom. I'm doing a push-in. But yeah, if you want to see how my days go, keep watching. What's up, y'all? So I'm going to give you guys a slight office tour. I can't give you guys a full office tour because for one, it's a mess because I had a lot of work to do today with my kids. And for two, I just knocked the whole glass piece off my desk and there's glass everywhere, so I had to like evacuate the place, get the kids out of here because I'm like, you guys don't go. They want to go pick up all my pens and stuff. I'm like, no, you can't go over there. I don't want you to get hurt. So let me just show you guys what my office looks like. So behind me, I have it's a chalkboard. Sorry, that bell just threw me off. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, your girl is cute. So yeah, this is my board, y'all. This is my board, and this was an assignment that it isn't even an assignment, but it was just something that I had like, I was gonna ask my kids to see if this was one of the words that they knew, you know, because I'm trying to build their lexicon up. All right, so resolution. I wanted to know what they thought a resolution was. Like, what does it mean to you? Okay, so I put the definition there. It says a resolution is a firm decision to do or not to do something. And then I said, wait a minute. On a piece of paper, write another word that you may use instead of resolution. And I didn't want them to give their answers away. To me, another word for resolution is a goal, right? Okay, so here I have in a complete sentence. This is just where I had to make it educational, you know. Okay, there we go. So here is my filing. So for you guys who do not know, if you organize, you will be set. You will set your life up. But this is my organizing system, and it has a bin for each month or whatever like that. So different activities that I plan to do. I don't have to take kids in August really because it's like, what, a week and a half that we have in school. And as a SOP, you don't really take kids the first week of school. And then, yeah, you know, the different seasons are there. So I can like, oh, this is a visual of what is inside of the bin. Like, okay, October has a pumpkin, it's Halloween stuff. Oh, February has a heart. It must be some things in there regarding Valentine's Day. Like if you look on top, I pulled some things out. Here's an activity that you can do for Valentine's Day. It says, write 10 words that begin with your sound and say them out loud. If I'm doing speech therapy, I could just have them to write some words inside of a heart and call it a Valentine's Day, you know, activity. Or if they're like language kids and they're trying to build up words that have to do with Valentine's Day, you know, what is a broken heart? What does it mean to have a broken heart? Do you know who Cupid is? This is in an envelope. What do we use the envelope for? Lace. Mailbox, we would put the envelopes in the mailbox, and then so on. We put perfume on our letters that we're going to put in the envelopes. Yep. So yeah, and then my desk is just a mess. My desk is a mess. I can't get too up close because I don't want to give any kids' names away. To show you what it looks like outside, they have a lot of cool paintings on our walls to teach the kids, but I don't know if the kids actually look at the walls when they walk by, you know? They have stuff like for pollination. They have like the moon and how it like goes to the different stages and like if there are different shapes, what it means. They have like all the presidents painted on the wall. Like it is so cool. Like if I had these visuals as a child, it would help me to remember things because I have a crazy way of the way my brain files the information that I know. Yeah. All right. Other than that, this is just me. This is just me. But thanks so much for watching, you guys. So yeah, my school day is over. It is over. Oh no, it's not. I still got my after school program, but that's not either here or there. God, I love education.